In front of me is Alcatel One from 2022, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *##06#. And here you've got IMEI and serial numbers. Click on OK to close it, and you can also reach those numbers via settings. So if somehow this code is not working, just unroll the list of all apps, go to settings, scroll to the very bottom of the list and open system. Now go to about phone, and here under status you will be able to reach both IMEI numbers and also serial number of yours. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.